Kublai pi barok kani gedi do dasha MEGHALAYA bengi pedang subhai pi barok syakatup kubor mentah kejan miet. Shaban pash ki kubor ki bebniak i pechwa ya kimat berkongsan. Benbenau Menteri Rangbak Kejelau Konrad Kesang Ma Badon tang kendiat ke juduna tendong LPG Kejelah lakmi lenti ban lak ban penbiang haki segi kebanwan. Yasoi ka Sarkar MEGHALAYA ya ka letter of intent bat ka Starling India ban kentiu ya ka jingpen so ya ki kor ki bor kelengi benta Kejelah. Penkup buram Kejelah ya ars pak lain ngut ki kena ki bapas pak ke eksamen SSLC but HSSLC ha Shillong sam Menteri Rangbak Kejelah ya ki laptop kum kadak jong ke jing itu pat ke jing pelilan. Bat laraki ke raising day jong ke SDRF ha MEGHALAYA penklan Kejelah ke jing la jong ka kinhuan pelat im Haban One Link Shop Amaria. Minta ina pashwa ki kubor na keleng Kejelah. Menteri Rangbak Kejelah Konrad Kesang Ma ula ongba Kejelah kai kenduk kendiat kejing akabede bat kejing duna jong ke LPG bat lala ban peniat bet ya renti ya kejing long jingman ula penpau ba kejing duna jong ke LPG la saki hak keleng ki benta jong keri India ya menta ke sarkar kalala ban penbiang ya kejing sam LPG dah nyopo nak sispa balak mi lenti bandang la ban penbiang syu hakisingi benwan syu la pentip ba Las dang ya ke projek nak bentar ka karkhana pendap LPG bertemai bat penpau ke jengkermen ba onla ban pendap no kam kloy ya kani ke projek.
As of MEGHALAYA is concerned, there is from the domestic use we are still managing. There is some shortage, but not that much. But when it comes to commercial LPG, there is a shortage throughout the nation. So government has increased the amount to 70% of the original amount, which was there for all the states. Earlier it was 20%, and then now they've increased to 70%. But the actual impact of that is yet to be felt. We do expect that in the coming days that the actual supply will go up, and we do expect some relief. But of course, these are a bit of a challenge because, as you're aware, almost 90% of the LPG requirement is there. It comes from this region and passes to the state of Hormuz, and therefore the challenges are there. But at the same time, as I said, the government of India is making arrangements at different levels to minimize the inconvenience that the people are facing.
Bena yaki rai berkongsan balashim haka jing lang jong kekenhun menteri mentaksi kaba pai kemat halor ki jing penkelai ki rukom tri kambat ya kayo kot kekenhun menteri kala ajung mut ru ya ka service rule kaba thamai kaba kentup iki tu ki bede baka science and technology but ka integrated economics and statistics services but haka bede pat ka sinjam balashim na ka benta kayo kot ya ka khajna value added tax halor ka CNG la penyar na ka khat saw 0.1% sya ka 1% ban kintiu ya ka jing benteng ka bat ya ka jing yakop ka kinhun menteri kala menjeru halor ka mat ka bala sa ateng la slem jong kinong tre ad hoc da ka pen scam ya ka jing ailat ka ba shisin na ka benta ka bai bam temen ba ka jing kiu ka dan ha ka kam la ai jing menjeru halor ka jing pen kala ya ka kerteng jong ki surok bat kisnong ki thau.
The proposal for the approval of the MEGHALAYA Science and Technology Self-Service Rules. Those were also passed. Third, the MEGHALAYA Integrated Economics and Statistics Service Rules 2026. That also was passed in the Cabinet today. Fourth, the MEGHALAYA Subordinate Integrated Economics and Statistics Service Rules 2026. This also was passed in the Cabinet today. Apart from these service rules and rules of the specific relevant sections. We had reduced our VAT rate on methane gas as compressed natural gas CNG from 14.5% to 5%, in line with what other states also are doing. And this is being done, of course, to create a competitive environment. The next decision that was taken was the implementation of the MEGHALAYA non-government schools and college employees centralized provident fund scheme 2026. As you are aware that a large number of non-government schools and colleges employees, based on the act, the relevant act, certain contributions were being made, but government did not have a proper scheme to implement this particular contribution. So today we have finalized that particular scheme and Cabinet has approved it. So once this scheme is approved, based on the scheme, the employees of the non-government schools and colleges, they will be getting the benefits of the Provident Fund.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalaya soya ka letter of intent but ka Starling India ban pen bhash ushu ka jing pen so ki kor ki bor ka leng ki benta jong ka jilla. Umentri rang ba ka jilla kondet ke sang mau la saki ka ni ka jing soy but ong ba ka ni ka sin jam ka la ban shim ka benta ka ba kong san ban pen tulun ni ka jing le ban kan thup lang ha ka roi ka par. Kani ka jing te ka thmu ban pen yari ka jing pen so ki high speed internet shiki jaka ki bakindong bat ki bejngai. Kapanya rap ya kapuli puthi, karukom ajing sumar, karukom sinshar, bat kalat ban kintiu ya kayok kakot. Ka Gwen Shotwell, ka balong ka President bat CEO ka SpaceX kalaong, bala kapit lenti baka ni ka jingit lang, kanya rap ban penyo ya ka jing ang nood jong ka jila, ban long ka way na ka jaka bapawa ka information and technology ka tan chute la mingi, ka ban kintiu hinong sengkam la jong bat kumju ya ki benta.
We are a small state, but we have a lot of talent and skill, and we feel strongly that it's the ecosystem that is not being allowing our kids to really kind of unlock the potential that they have. And again, as I said, I feel that the infrastructures we're creating for the IT sector. I mean, I had a lot of things to share, but I don't want to take too much of time. But I just want to share with you that we are in the process of really creating Shillong as the hub for the entire Northeast when it comes to IT-enabled services and technology, whether it is in the form of data centers in the future, whether it's in the form of creating the submarine cables coming in. We are working on it. We are trying to create a strong platform out here and working with very good partners.
Katnar Information Technology and Communication mataksi kelapan ku burom yeki arspa langut ki kena puli bukan sakmara ka examen SSLC but HSSLC Shillong. Habai jengkeran kani kesngi Menteri Rang Bak Jelau korek ki sang maula pencelur ki kena puli ban shim kia yeki jing start technology but ki jing shim themai da ka boong baki laptop ki penpau ka jing itho but ki jing plilat. Kat ba Menteri ka tanak puli puthi ba lakmen rumboi ulapan pau ka sin jam jong ka sarkar ki betmu ban penklani ka tanak puli puthi ban kintiu ki sap bat ban kershan ki kena puli. Ka khusnam bala ai hapo ka Meghalaya IT initiative kan ai burom ki kena ni ki bot boper ki bakentu ki embos CBSE but ICSE ban kintiu ki rukom ai jinghi kai bat ka jing puli ki kor ki bor ki bamenta.
We are here today to let you know that all the hard work that you put in through the years, all the sleepless nights you went through, all the sacrifices you made, the focus and the concentration with which you studied and went through all the materials and the different subjects. At that moment, it may have looked very difficult for you. But in this particular moment, I, as the Chief Minister of the state, our Education Minister, and the entire government wants to tell you that all those sacrifices you made was worth it. And that we are very proud of what you have.
Ka Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guards matagsi kalar KHASI seng lani ka raising day jong kakinhon State Disaster Response Force mauding diang. Hakajing ajeng kren Menteri Kabinet Civil Defence and Home Guards ubranding isang maula ong ba kajing seng ke SDRF. Kalong kasin jam ka bakongsan ban penklan kajing penkre habawan ling shop kamariang hakajila. Ulapan pau baya kini kakinhon lapan klan da kajing lumlang ye kisipai ki blayo jing hikai na ka border wing Home Guard ringkat pakitiar ajing arab ki bakat kum kajuk ka baminta.
The other end by the Burma bridges.
Marks a new chapter in strengthening our state's disaster preparedness and response mechanism. Meghalaya, blessed with natural beauty, is also vulnerable to various natural calamities such as landslide, flood, and other unforeseen emergencies. In such situations, the importance of a well-trained, dedicated, and responsive force cannot be overstated. The rising of the SDRF today is a timely and visionary step towards.
Kementeri Sorkar Barimi Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo ilaong ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalaban wanra ikijengkiu ki bedai ban yo jigithu ha kini ki prasnem ila kadaw ya ki jengkiu ki bakongsan kum kalyang ka jishna ki surok ka puli puthi ka kot ka khia ka jingtei ki yeng ki sem bara kalyang ki kam jongo kai perthei kabaila yo so na ka jikren ya khana bat ki brio ha kaleng ki benta jong ka jilla Ikong lingdo ilakdaw ru ya kajing kiyo ha kajing ajik syakri ki pulit kajing penyari ki lat ajing hikai bat ki jaka ajing sumar ki babiang kum kajing job ke bakraw haba kubur badon ru ki jing deko aki katu kat ni ki benta ila ong ba haba yanu jor pat ya ki kamparo klalong ke babha da ke ong ba ya ki jing kinok bamsap day bandon bat ki sabut bat penbet ling ba ki bor an ki bedai
very important indicators that struck me as positive. Number one, the roads. I have been an MLA, privileged to have been one for so long. And I believe that my evaluation of the progress of the road infrastructure in the state is commendable. Having held various key portfolios like education, like urban affairs, like PWD, like all these social sectors, I have never seen the kind of transformation that I saw in as far as housing and water connectivity. I think in the 17 constituencies that I went to, there was a marked appreciation of the housing as well as the water infrastructure and its development for the people of the state of Meghalaya and the 17 constituencies that I went to.
Ka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization kalaray bandawa markmat na Sorkar jila ban pelong ka jing kmi sani ka bakerpang ye ka electoral roll bat pitkalay ka schedule tribe order jong snem khat khandai spa sanpo Chairman ka komso ba aroy ku parsindra mula ong ba ka jing dawa kalami na ka jing sokhia halor ka jing wan rung kerthep ki brio ki banabar jila ba ka jing thup lang ya ki brio ki banabari kumjo ru halor kamat dual voter hagi jaka khaput Ulak ru ya ke ST order ka batre ka menta ka ba shim la pen ka la ki post nem ka ba ai la ki ka to ka ni ki kin huon ban shim ye ki jing mentoi klem ka nu ka jing don kam ban pen ni tho ski wei pat ki jaka ka komso kala ai por sau pusan sngi ban pen bet ya ni bat kila maham ban ya ki la da le bum su nyo ya ka jing dawa ka jongki.
So the purpose of SIR is to purify the electoral roll, as has been stated by the Chief Election Commissioner, that pure electoral roll is the backbone of democracy. So we want also that same objective or that same thing to be applied in Meghalaya also, so that these illegal immigrants who have entered the state of Meghalaya do not get the same rights, political rights, as we, the indigenous people, have. So we are demanding from the central government, the Union Home Ministry, as well as the SIR, as well as the Election Commission, that SIR should be implemented. And the second issue that we want to take up by COMSO is the amendment of the ST Order 1950. If you look at the ST Order 1950, you will find that for the state of Meghalaya, there are around 53 or 54 tribes who are recognized tribes in the state of Meghalaya. Whereas this ST Order was only copy and pasted right from when we were with Assam. This same ST order was there. So we fail to understand that we have got our own state for 50 years now, but we are yet to amend the ST order, and this has allowed other tribal communities from other states to have the same rights like us. As per today's meeting, we will be writing to the state government that within a period of 45 days, the state government should be taking up these two matters in its earnest. And after that, COMSO will be holding public meetings and then mobilize people in order to create a movement so that the state government will take this issue seriously.
Ka MLA ka NPP Dr. M. Ampriling do ilaong ba imda kwa banikuni ki election shiteng samoy ka bansalong nga kabanta ka shilong parliamentary seat. Hindi ikam paik match ki election siya kayong dor bartawan ka jala house nem arajar arpupra. Ilaong ba ikwa bansim kya ki kam ki bede ba ka constituency ka jong but in yakun klem ka jing pankre ka babiang. Hindi ilaong pat ba in pediang ya ka rajo ka party lada isha ajir kum ka kertong ka National People's Party. Kami lenti ban yo ya karai ka bakado halor kurtong ban kun na ka party hapo shibnai what happening ka jingatai ka balami hapo kaseng.
Decide by myself. I am bounded by my affiliation to the National People Party, and I cannot neither refuse nor offer, because that's now not how politics works. We operate within a party framework, and for me to just say what I want to say would be irresponsible. But yes, if given an opportunity, allow me to prepare for the LA, which for me is a vital commitment. We would like to see that the MDA continues its term beyond 2028. And if we have to get there, then we need to do our homework thoroughly. That does not go only for me. I think it's a common commitment of all political parties. Everybody can't expect to win an election at the snap of a finger. And I believe that shortly, the NPP will make its declarations and announcements, and we wait and see for that to actually take shape. But yes, I prefer not to be distracted, because I have a commitment to my job. I don't think that I will ever go for any election
Ka Greater Solutions Training Academy kelapanlong ka pukrampen ko buram na kabenta kitu ki pelapendep ki jeng hikai po jongka ban gentiu ka sap ka phong ka jongki kani ka sinjam ka blayo jeng kershana Meghalaya State Skills Development Society kala ai jeng ithu ye ki biyo jeng hikai ki kam ki bakentu ka street food vendor but ki assistant electrician hakani ka program Kinong ai jeng keren ki lakdo ya ka jeng kong san jong ka jeng pentebit iki sap baper ban kintiu ka jeng yo kam yo jam bat ban pen yo iki lat kamai jakpo ki babiang La samru iki sirnot shikinong shimbenta kabalong kum umau jamu bokong sana ka jingya lenti ka jongki. Arngut kisam lalut ki belajar ngai mena ka lai po terik mentau benai nasional nonglang Southwest KHASI Hills lalap nak kerem Tynring Maurin kabadon national mountain ki belatip kerteng kum ke fancy rose marwin bat kasani hun carling do hagbe day bat kini ki bahayeng hasem ki la ai ka jing sngongo ki bor pulit bat shaki nong shong shnong ki blak kner ka jing kersan juki benwat kini kisam la. Kidukot jong ka Awaken India Movement kila IT ka dorkas siya ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka West KHASI Hills ka Hema Nayak ban panjing pensay halor ka jing don kam jong u adhar na ka benta ban yo ki scheme jong ka sarkar. Kaseng kala bu jing kili babalay ki brio ki bomdon yo adhar kim yo jing mentoy AA bat ong bakat kum ka jing kmi jong ka yeng shari kay itho ka kam dalong ka bakong san Kumta ka Deputy Commissioner kala pentip baya u adhar la pendon kam hak ki bopon ki benta kam tam bon ki scheme ki don kam ya ka jing pejisha na ka benta ban yo ki jing bentoy ringkat ka jing ai mensi ban pendung kerteng ka ba pentik kena baya ka jing pensai on sa aisyen namar ka AIM ka maham persya ya ki tu ki ba penbor ban banjur ban le AA lada don kum kinu ki jing sokya.
Giwan bu ya kena kakut order ba gidon sibun gibanta gibangi sa penduk ye ki lat jingera beberapa kendri abangi ya kenduk ye ka GC menta kesini kalau ba madam GC yang ba ini harap pada bala te nakalim jumbi kum Pat yang senang jom ka India, apa jangan dengan nongstone, ngidon kam ban ngi kerpat, ya ki office beberapa, ba kinsu bah bantai, nak bantai kini ki kam, dia kena kepon ngi kerpat tu nak bantai gitu ki officer.
Kinong snong jong ka snat rat Tynring kilapan pau ke jing sokia halor ke jing penlong ke election jiet sodar badangshen hakaba kilakano ba kamlong ka basai bat bakala bandon ki jing teko akru kompenya kila kam bayo soda lajit tangda ki khatnyo jat ki kur kabam ya habdur bat karu kom jit kat kum kariti ke dustur umen barim haba krenj kila pathai khubor uba McDonald million pada ubolong unong snong ulakno ba kala don ru ka jing DBA ni ki jakarat klem ka jing yo jing bet ka badon kam bat ong ba ka jing ya die thiet la le klem ka jing yo jing menjur ni ki pat ba bat klem ki NOC ki babiang na ki bor badikmi kila pen pauru ya ka jing so hun halor ka rukom sam ya ka jing yo nong ga ka ong ba ki nong yo jing mentoy kila yo pedang duna ban ya ka ba kila kmi lenti
la yo bajing tho ha ulah ka lai putri Januari arajar pun rio se katkum ka RTI bingil alap kala don biang ka jing di ya ka jaka ha professional right Tynring ka ba live kusan akar AI but kala don ru kapisa kabaliki kadi ka dorbar snat right Tynring kala yo 100% kumbala tho hangni po ka RTI di habapet ya kani ka RTI habakidi ya kani ka jaka hapok snat right Tynring ka NOC na usim Klamdan ka NOC na ka KHADC ka Klamdan la shudi direct back sa ka NSTDA badi kan di kejeng di ka jaka kamlong direct sa ka sarkar Henry kibu kiladi ya kibrio shimet balay bakan nabu lagi agent ban pende hatu ki kimlang manto application sa ka sarkar ngidon ka offer namta ka sinar right Tynring gadon ka offer bandi ban ay ka jaka shapi ka sarkar balay ka
mentang ni pas ki kubor na keleng ka than chte la mingi Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ula penlong ya artli ki jengelap election ha asam ta kasngi ha ka ba ula kren da benta ka bha ka miat jungki beduk pat ban kentiu ya karoi ka par ula omba ka jelak la sakhi ki kampen roi ha po ka jingsen charge jong sarkar NDA Modi ula pen benaru ya ka jing thmu ban kethup ki project ban pedunai ka jikslei ki besong dor khat prak lur tingka ba ka jing penyar ya ka rukom ai kam ai jam ha ki jakka pule Shushu Ula kular ban ya dai ka hok long try ya ka kendo jang ki try muluk bat ban kentiu ka atma nirbhar Assam da ka babu dak ru ya ka jing kentiu ya ki karkhana bkentup ya ka jing penyar ya ka semi ka doctor
शेड्यूल एरिया की संस्कृति और परंपराओं को सुरक्षित रखना ये असम की पहचान बचाने के लिए बहुत बड़ी घोषणाएं हैं और आप जानते हैं बीजेपी जो कहती है वो करके दिखाती है बीजेपी एनडीए सरकार की हैट्रिक लगनी तय है आप मुझे बताइए हैट्रिक होगी कि नहीं होगी और जोर से बताइए हैट्रिक होगी कि नहीं होगी और कांग्रेस के पराजय की भी हैट्रिक होने वाली है असम लगातार तीसरी बार बीजेपी एनडीए सरकार बना रहा है और कांग्रेस की सरकार अगर बनी रहती तो देश के बहुसंख्यक समाज का कितना शोषण होता इसकी आप कल्पना कर सकते हैं बाबा साहब आंबेडकर ने जो संविधान बनाया उस संविधान के पीठ में छुरा भोंकने का एक खेल चल रहा था
Mentang ne pas ki kubor na keleng kari Ka sorkar pedeng kelasya misubun kilar kelenti ban pen kelasyu gedor jeng kitendong shet bat penyang kenang ban yada ya ki nong pendon kam na ka jengkiu dor jeng ki mar ha ka perthei komisi benta ban yada ka jengkiu dor jeng kitendong shet la penduna ya ka excise duty bat lawan ra ka khajna shala na ka benta ka dor jeng ka petrol bat diesel ha kari wada pedeng ka jengkiu dor ke LPG ha ka perthei ka sorkar ka ile kat bala bat pinbiang kenang ban lat na ka jiktieng na ka jikduna bat jingthiet ya ke LPG ka Sujata Sharma ka bade ke joint secretary jong tanat petroleum and natural gas kala pentip ba ka sarkar ka ile ban penyari ka rukom sam ya ka umpniang bat LPG da ka ba penyas no ya shibun tli kilong gieng bat ban penklan ka jingyo ya ka hakador ka babin
घरेलू उपभोक्ताओं को इंटरनेशनल जो वॉलिटिलिटी है प्राइसेस में उससे बचाने के लिए आप जानते हैं भारत सरकार ने एक्साइज ड्यूटी को कम किया ताकि घरेलू उपभोक्ताओं को बचाया जा सके और प्राइस में कोई भी वृद्धि न हो इस सब के बावजूद प्राइस वही मेंटेन है और इसके फलस्वरूप हमारी ऑयल मार्केटिंग कंपनीज को पेट्रोल और डीजल दोनों पर अंडर रिकवरी भी है इसके साथ ही साथ आप जानते हैं कि घरेलू बाजार में एटीएफ और डीजल की उपलब्धता सुनिश्चित कराने के लिए भारत सरकार ने एक्सपोर्ट लेवी भी लगाई है इसलिए
Daka jing sedang ya usnam kenjing ken betmai la pentri kami shibun li ki jing penkelaba kongsan ha kelengkari ya ki an ki berem jong ke Income Tax Act la bujli no da ke Income Tax Act 2008% ke betmai ke ban pensuk ke jai ha kari baro ke we na do menta kasngi ke belum ke jinglum ke he tam ha kari kan sedang menta kasngi kini ke jinglum khana samari ke bakhan riu bat ka ba pra na du ka jing yo la luot kari ya ka ba on pelong ki ar benta kata ka jing nyo ya ka jing don ki long yeng bat ka jing bun brio ha ka sien ka bening kong on lum ya ka khana samari ling ba ki kor ring kat ka jing ai lat ban pendap daladi ya ka ba on penkot ha ka hadu ka khat santrik mentau benai ke jingyo ya ke jingdon ki long yeng kan sedang naduk ka khat riu terik u yayong haduk ka khat san terik u jemang. Kebentar ke baar kan kentup ya ke jinglum ya ke jingbon pat ke ban sedang naduk u rempang lashim snem. Bakentup ya ke jingyo ya ki kenhun jat ben riu lani kita ki kas. Mentang ini pas ki kubor ye lekai. MEGHALAYA Swimming Association kal ajingi ro ya ka jingjop jongki nong jingi ke bapin pau ya mau jam ba ka jingi shimbenta jongki ha ka jingi ko bakari. Ki nong jingi na ka jelai ki lala ban pendap ka jingi ko bakarin san bakin thup ya ka takmar nong ha ka sanpo meter freestyle jong ka Khelo India Tribal Games 8000 apun rio ha Chhattisgarh. Kapediang suklang singwan ka bawan balai ha ka Asmita Women's Swimming League ha Guwahati. Kum shibenta ban ithu ike jingla jongki ke MSA kala penlong ya ke program le burom hinin ke singi khamtam ya ki tu ki blai yokur takma bat ki blai shimbenta lembat ki coach bat ki manager ki jongki. Timen tapat ngini pek ke jinglong juman ke subedeng hakeleng ki benta jong ke jela. Hatura kajing kret kalong 8 degree Celsius kajing shit kalong lipway degree Celsius kajing scam kau hau kalong sun pona kashispa. Haba pai pat chanong ba shalong kajing kret kalong 100 degree Celsius kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius. Kajing scam kau hau kalong sun punyo na kashispa. Kat pahajuai kajing kret kalong 100 degree Celsius kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius kajing scam kau hau kalong 100 pusau na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong iway point pra milimeter. Kesumbineng kandum lo hatura shalom berjuai kala aru bandon kajing hap slap ke bamalu malaki kat tu kini ki jaka. Soban poi subukut jong tup kubori pek biang sesi ni kimat bekongsan. Ben benau Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma badon tang kendiat ke jengduna tendong LPG ha ke Jelau. Takmit nanti benlak ban penbiang hakisi di Banwai. Yasoi ke Sarkar MEGHALAYA ke letter of intent bat ke Starling India ban kentiu ke jing penyeso igor ke bor keling ke benda ke jela. Penkop burom ke jela ya ars pak langut ki kena ki bapas pa ke eksamen SSLC bat HSSLC hasilong samu Menteri Rangba ke jela ki laptop kum kedak jong ke jing itu ba ke jing pelai. Batla rakhi ke raising day jong ke SDRF ha MEGHALAYA penklai ke jela ya ke jingla jong ke kinhod pelaim habawan link shop kamariang. Ti perlo katung lapoi subukut jong tup kubor jing ta ka janmit hadu bendi shembang bat pilasai kasi kublek pi paro.